The 1986 trucks from Chevrolet. A versatile, hard-working lineup, backed with a proud tradition of dependability and toughness. But you don't get ahead in today's market by resting on your laurels. This year's trucks may not appear different on the outside, but there are always technological and design enhancements under the skin that help keep the Chevy Truck Lineup among the most state-of-the-art in the industry. One of the fastest-growing truck market segments is compact pickups. Chevy introduced the S10 pickup in the 1982 model year, and it quickly became popular with a variety of commercial and personal use buyers. S10's aerodynamic styling, efficiency, and overall utility represent the latest advancements in truck technology. For example, the 2.5-liter Tech 4 with electronic fuel injection was added in 1985. And this year, the 2.8-liter V6 receives a new electronic fuel injection system for optimum performance and economy. Inside, there's a totally new interior look, including this flight deck instrument panel with easy-to-reach controls. These refinements, coupled with S10's load-carrying ability, will make it a major force in the 1986 compact pickup market. S10s are available in regular and maxi-cab models, short and long beds, two-wheel or four-wheel drive, making them well-suited for a variety of driving needs, for business or for fun. For even more payload and power, Chevy's pickup tradition continues in 1986 with work-proven full-size C and K models. These full-size models have also been continually refined to meet today's working needs. The CK Power Team lineup has been enhanced with the introduction last year of the Vortec V6. This state-of-the-art engine uses a tornado-like mixture of air and fuel to produce the most horsepower available in any six-cylinder light-duty truck. For V8 power with V6 economy, the available 6.2-liter diesel is a proven performer. Designed specifically for truck use, this rugged diesel employs heavy-duty components to meet day-in, day-out job demands. In addition to these engines, Chevy's full-size pickups feature a wide selection of models and payload ratings. They're available in two-wheel drive C-Series models for maximum towing and payload capacities, or as hard-working four-wheel drive K-Series models to tame the tough territory. Completing Chevy's team of pickups is El Camino. El Camino provides working muscle like excellent trailering and payload abilities. And yet, inside, there's the luxury of a mid-size passenger car. For 1986, there's a fresh new appearance to the instrument panel. And El Camino is now available with the 2000 series of electronically tuned radios. There's also a new custom cloth interior. And El Camino provides an array of options, including a new center console that allow you to personalize your pickup to your tastes. Whether it's the compact capability of S10, the full-size room and power of C and K, or the luxury of El Camino, the 1986 lineup of Chevy pickups has a proven performer to meet your needs. When you need to protect your cargo, Chevy comes through with a variety of vans and other cargo hauling trucks, starting with the roomiest new size van available, the Astro. Introduced in 1985, Astro is the result of some of the most advanced truck assembly processes in the industry. Under its hood, Astro offers two different fuel-injected engines, the 2.5-liter Tech 4 and the optional 4.3-liter Vortec V6 now has electronic fuel injection for 1986. Each engine is designed for a combination of performance and efficiency. Astro's aerodynamic shape does more than just make it look good. It helps Astro cut through the wind, and that helps improve efficiency and reduce wind noise. But all these advanced design features don't mean anything unless the truck is designed to work, and Astro can work. The cargo area is easily accessible, through a smooth opening sliding side door or swing out rear doors that give wider openings than many conventional vans and don't interfere with roof-mounted ladders and racks. Inside, Astro has more room than any of its competitors, and Astro has a choice of net payload ratings of up to an available 1,700 pounds. And if you need to bring along even bigger loads, Astro can handle that too, with a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. These are the kinds of features that have made the Astro cargo model popular with a variety of commercial buyers. But when the job calls for a full-size room, Chevy Van meets the challenge. Under its hood is the Vortec V6 with the most 6-cylinder horsepower available in a van. Or you can choose from 2 available work-proven gasoline V8s. For those who need diesel power, Chevy Van is available with a tough 6.2-liter V8 diesel, the right choice for stop-and-go driving and city delivery applications. You can choose from 2 wheelbases for your Chevy Van. You can also choose from 3 series and 2 side door designs, 60/40 swing out or sliding side. For even more room, look to High Cube Van and Step Van. No other manufacturer offers this much light-duty cargo room. Both are available with gasoline or diesel power, and High Cube Van has up to 570 cubic feet of cargo room, while Step Van offers up to 890 cubic feet. Step Van is also available with payloads up to 7,983 pounds. Both High Cube and Step Van offer steel or aluminum bodies and swing out or available overhead rear doors. For the biggest cargo hauling jobs, Chevy provides a complete line of medium duties. Chevy mediums are proven as city delivery trucks, beverage haulers, dump trucks, and in a wide range of other commercial and agricultural applications. Yet, hauling cargo isn't the only task a Chevy truck must perform. There's also a need to move people, all kinds of people, to all kinds of places. And for these jobs, Chevy offers a special breed of trucks, the full line of people movers. The Astro passenger model is Chevrolet's latest response to America's ever-changing people-moving needs. Because this vehicle is ideal for a range of buyers, there's a variety of available seating configurations, including room for up to 8. And a wide choice of comfort and convenience options allows you to tailor Astro to your individual needs and tastes. Astro doesn't sacrifice comfort, and there's no sacrifice in power under the hood either. The Astro passenger model is powered by the available 4.3-liter Vortec V6 with new electronic fuel injection. This engine puts out the highest horsepower and torque ratings in the compact van class. Vortec helps Astro achieve a 5,000-pound towing rating when properly equipped. Inside and out, Astro was designed to meet the changing needs of today's buyers. And that's something you've come to expect from Chevrolet. The next member of Chevy's people-moving team is S10 Blazer, the best-selling sport utility in the industry. And like its S10 pickup cousins, Blazer is available with 2 fuel-injected engines, the 2.5-liter Tech 4 and the optional 2.8-liter V6. And Chevy gives buyers an important choice with their S10 Blazers, the choice between a 2-wheel drive model for those who want Blazer's performance and comfort, but have no need for 4-wheel traction, and the popular 4x4 that features Chevy's patented InstaTrack system. It allows you to shift into 4-wheel drive at any speed. Inside, S10 Blazer has available seating for up to 4, and this fun-to-drive truck can be equipped with a host of options. If you need more room in a sport utility, look to K-Blazer. It offers available seating for up to 5 or 106 cubic feet of inside cargo space. Up front, K-Blazer has new contoured bucket seats, and the passenger seat now has a new easy entry feature that makes getting into and out of the rear a snap. When you need to carry even more people, Chevrolet offers Suburban, another General Motors truck exclusive. This versatile truck is available with seating for up to 9 in a choice of 2 or 4-wheel drive models. With the seats removed, there's up to 167 cubic feet of cargo space. Suburban also offers a choice of gas or optional diesel power. There's even a Suburban model that can tow a mighty 9,500 pounds when properly equipped. No ordinary wagon comes close. Rounding out Chevy's team of people movers is Sport Van. Sport Van provides plenty of room with available seating for up to 12 passengers. And inside, you can create the ultimate luxury people mover with a wide choice of options. Sport Van's choice of available gasoline and diesel engines make it popular with families, airport shuttle services, resorts, and hotels. When properly equipped, Sport Van can tow up to 7,000 pounds. From dependable pickups to hard-working cargo haulers to versatile people movers, whatever your job, Chevy has the right truck for you.
Astro, Chevy's new size people mover and cargo hauler, designed for the changing transportation needs of the 80s. Astro passenger model offers available seating configurations for up to 8. And the cargo model has generous load-carrying ability, yet offers the economy of the smaller minivans. Astro's sleek, eye-catching lines do more than just make the truck look good. They help Astro cut the wind more efficiently. The standard front air dam and contoured front end, contoured side mirrors, flush glass all around, concealed drip rails, and hidden side door hinges add to the overall aerodynamic design and help Astro move down the road with a minimum of wind resistance. In fact, Astro's 0.38 drag coefficient is lower than Toyota Van and Dodge Caravan, and even lower than many passenger cars. And Astro's power teams deliver the performance and economy today's demanding buyers expect. Standard on the cargo model is Chevy's energetic 2.5-liter Tech 4 with electronic fuel injection. The 2.5-liter Tech 4 delivers an optimum blend of performance and economy. In fact, it generates 92 SAE net horsepower and 134 foot-pounds of torque. Standard with the Tech 4 is the 4-speed manual transmission. For added versatility, an optional 5-speed manual with overdrive is now available with the Tech 4. For maximum Astro strength, the Vortec V6 is standard on the passenger model and optional on the cargo model. Vortec is the most powerful V6 in its class, rivaling the performance of many V8s. It delivers 145 SAE net horsepower and 225 foot-pounds of torque, yet it still delivers impressive fuel economy ratings. The Vortec V6 is great for carrying heavier loads, whether it's a lot of people or heavy tools and materials. For optimum driver convenience and towing the heavy loads, choose the optional 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. It's available with either engine. But quality and durability aren't limited to Astro power teams. They're in evidence everywhere you look on Astro. Astro's quality is also evident with the precise assembly of the body. Single-piece components are used for the windshield frame, door frames, and inner body panels for more consistent panel fits. 48 robotic welders join these components, reducing the number of weld joints, places where corrosion and rattles could begin. Throughout Astro's assembly process, steps are taken to guard against corrosion. All exterior panels below the roof are made of two-sided galvanized steel. Then, Astro's entire body is processed through a zinc phosphate wash, followed by a multi-stage finishing process that starts with a coat of Uniprime. Then, a urethane coating is sprayed on lower body panels to resist stone chipping. The finishing touch to Astro quality is achieved through an innovative paint process. This revolutionary process differs from conventional moving line procedures because the line stops at each stage of painting. pre-programmed robotic arms apply a resilient base coat of paint, followed by a durable clear top coat that helps protect the finish. The result is a beautiful, lustrous finish that reflects Astro's superior quality. Chevrolet's commitment to quality can also be seen in Astro's rugged independent front suspension, similar in design to other Chevy truck suspension systems, like the S10s. Astro's independent front suspension helps take the bite out of the bumps to cushion your ride. And in the rear, Astro's fiberglass composite springs are lighter than conventional steel springs and just as strong, and won't fall prey to corrosion. Astro's rear-wheel drive configuration aids its load-carrying ability. The rear-wheel drive components are located to afford more interior room versus a front-wheel drive vehicle of the same length. And when cargo or a trailer is added, the weight is more equally distributed over the driving wheels, increasing Astro traction. Astro's versatile design goes far beyond these under-the-skin features. Astro Passenger has available seating configurations for up to 8 people. The easy-opening sliding side door makes getting in and out of Astro a snap. Astro's bench seats can be rearranged or removed quickly and easily without tools. The Astro Cargo model has the most cargo room of any vehicle in its class. Astro's cargo carrying ability starts with its easy access to the cargo area. Dual rear cargo doors open wide and don't interfere with roof-mounted ladders and racks. Inside, there's 51.6 inches between rear wheel housings, a 70.6-inch wide total cargo width, and a cargo length of up to 116.6 inches on a flat-ribbed floor that makes loading and unloading a breeze. And there's more than 189 cubic feet of cargo room, providing more space than its competitors from Dodge, Ford, and Toyota. Underneath, an available carrier stows the spare tire out of the cargo area. And Astro offers the payload ratings to make that cargo area work for you, all the way up to 1,700 pounds for the really big jobs. And Astro payloads are net ratings. That means the payload isn't reduced by the weight of added options like it is on some competitors. Astro Cargo is available with optional high-back bucket seats for 2 or 4 passengers. A good choice for van conversions and special customizing. And whether you choose an Astro passenger or cargo model, it can trailer up to 5,000 pounds. Complementing Astro's ability to work is a sleek exterior appearance, featuring a bold grille and headlamp treatment, and dual outside mirrors. You can personalize Astro with optional 2-tone paint treatments, or a variety of available window configurations. And for $1986, new cast aluminum wheels are available for even more style. Both Astro models feature a standard 17-gallon fuel tank, and a 27-gallon tank is available for greater cruising range. Inside, Astro delivers, starting with an impressive array of standard convenience features, like high-back front bucket seats, flight deck instrumentation that allows you to read important driving information at a glance, fingertip climate control and washer wiper functions, front door map pockets, an instrument panel stowage box, and a handy flip-down beverage tray. Astro passengers are also available in 2 optional trim levels, the CS trim or the top-of-the-line CL that includes a color-keyed headliner, vanity mirror on passenger sun visor, remote-release fuel filler door, a custom Astro steering wheel, or your choice of custom vinyl or custom cloth seats. Astro also gives you a wide selection of convenient options to choose from, like a 6-position comfort tilt steering wheel, power windows and door locks, an overhead console with reading lights, stowage areas, and a special location for a garage door opener, and a variety of stereo systems, including an AM/FM stereo with cassette player, seek and scan, and graphic equalizer. Astro, the space-efficient people and cargo mover from Chevrolet. Test drive a 1986 Astro and see for yourself why it's one of Chevy's brightest stars. Chevy Van, one of the handiest trucks to have around, because it does so much for so many different kinds of people. For 1986, Chevy Van is available in 3 series and 2 wheelbases to meet individual cargo carrying needs. The 110-inch wheelbase offers as much as 207 cubic feet of load space. The 125-inch wheelbase provides up to 260 cubic feet of cargo room for bigger, longer loads. And when it comes to engines, Chevy Van gives you a range of truck-tough power, beginning with the standard 4.3-liter Vortec V6, the most V6 horsepower available on the truck market today. The Vortec V6 generates up to 145 SAE net horsepower and up to 225 foot-pounds of torque, while still delivering efficiency that rivals many of its smaller competitors. An important feature of the Vortec V6 is its computer-monitored electronic spark control, which automatically adjusts ignition timing to prevent knocking and maximize performance. For more working power, there's V8 muscle for Chevy Vans, beginning with the rugged 5-liter power plant. Or there's the 5.7-liter for maximum cargo hauling and trailering. And the 6.2-liter diesel for V8 performance and economical operation. It's the right choice when the job calls for a lot of stop-and-go driving and long idling. For Chevy Vans, built-in toughness and quality begins with extensive protection against rust and corrosion by using galvanized steel in inner and outer rocker panels and wheel housings, and Zinchrometal to protect the outer body surfaces. Cleaning and prepping the entire body with a 7-stage zinc phosphate bath. Applying primer to fight rust inside and outside of body seams. And helping to shield the lower body sides from flying stones with a special anti-chip coating. Finally, every van receives 2 coats of hard, chip-resistant acrylic enamel finish for lasting beauty. Chevy Van toughness and quality is also obvious on the road, with the rides cushioned by an independent suspension in front that allows each wheel to absorb its own jolts and bounces, and variable rate multi-leaf springs in back that adjust automatically to load and driving conditions, smoothing the road for both driver and cargo. One thing so handy about a Chevy Van is the way you get into it, through wide-opening rear doors. And your choice of a big sliding side door, or 60/40 swing-out side doors. Once inside, there's room for all kinds of cargo. Long wheelbase models have a cargo length of more than 10 feet, a width of nearly 6 feet, and about 4.5 feet between the wheel housings. The long wheelbase model has up to 260 cubic feet of space for cargo and gross payloads to 4,202 pounds, more than 2 tons. And if you need to pull a load, Chevy Van can tow up to 7,000 pounds when properly equipped. Another popular application of Chevy Vans is recreational conversions. They offer the power teams and interior room that make them ideal for accommodating a host of aftermarket conversion packages. Some of the other features that make this such a popular van include the convenience of dual outside mirrors, a standard 22-gallon fuel tank, and an optional 33-gallon tank for extended range. All-season steel-belted radials for G10 and G20 models. Wet arm washer wipers. Comfortable low-back bucket seats. a handy console storage bin, and power steering, standard for G20 and G30 series for driving ease. And there are options galore, from automatic speed control to a variety of sound systems to attractive two-tone paint treatments. Sport Van offers many of the features found on Chevy Van, plus accommodations for your most important cargo, people. It's ideal for today's families who are on the move and for a variety of shuttle applications. Seating for 5 is standard, with optional accommodations for 8. Or up to a dozen in a G30. And even with 12, there's still more than 40 cubic feet of cargo space. When you've got something to haul, the seats are easily removed with Sport Van's quick-release latches, leaving 260 cubic feet for cargo in the long wheelbase model. For any Sport Van, you have your choice of 3 trim levels, up to the tastefully appointed Beauville, with a variety of comfort and convenience touches. And you can personalize your Sport Van with a multitude of options. Sport Van and Chevy Van for 1986. Popular, tough, versatile, efficient, comfortable, and above all, very handy to have around.